Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the Scorestreaks or the operator skills that's still locked in your loadout. You can, for example, let's see my loadout first. Click the loadout in the bottom of your screen. This is Scorestreaks, for example. Click the Scorestreaks. This is my some lock Scorestreaks that I didn't yet unlock. You can unlock this Scorestreaks by acquire from the store or try it in trial loadout by click the acquire and click this go to the trial loadout. You can try it for one time only, but what I want to show you is unlock this Scorestreaks by completing the task from the event or completing the challenge from the event. So let's get back to the home page. So click the events banner at the left of your screen, click the feature. So let's search the event. This one, beat the heat lazy days. So as you can see, I already claimed some tasks or already complete some tasks. So what you have to do is complete the mission or complete the challenge, such as kill 5 enemies with Scorestreaks in multiplayer, also use Scorestreaks 10 times in multiplayer, and also you can use 10 weapon experience card. So the top reward is this one. You can select a selectable box. This is the selectable box, the rewards. You can select one of it, the locked one. You can unlock this by completing the task. So if you didn't have this Goliath, you can unlock this Scorestreaks or operator skill. Thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.